Tio maondoni asu ma miatianio ni kana kumana na miatianio ila yato iwani ngwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya musina wa ilovi na kutongo iwani Raila Odinga. President William Ruto ni waumania maandamano asu aiweta kana Kenya ni nde itongo iwani miao na kila mundu nginya amiatiie. Ruto ni waweta kana tuitania uthasyo wa aki ila inenganitwe katiba nginya tukaikiithya tuikulikiila akisya akenya ala angi lina musangi na watumbanisia ili vote.
Honorable Shadrach John Mose, being called upon to exercise the functions of Solicitor General, do swear that
Kavindani kandi ya Kenya kusia Miatianio ngale kumbingi Musumba William Ruto ni waende ya kuthingilila kananda itikilande ya Kenya itoa mwelekeo weute na miao.
We observe what the Constitution provides for us, ensuring that we protect the rights of everybody. And as we enjoy our rights as individuals, we must be careful also to ensure that we don't trample on the rights of others. And the cardinal principle is that as a country that believes in the rule of law, there is no greater or lesser person. None of us is above the law. The president is not above the law. And so is every other citizen. So each one of us must, as of a constitution imperative, respect the Constitution, operate within the Constitution, enjoy our rights within the Constitution, and ensure that we don't trample on the rights of others.
Musumbia nene State House Kavindani kalaitwa ICSS ya kuidhu kithito kwa Solicitor General Shadrach Mose.
I am confident that you have the requisite experience, understanding and knowledge to support and provide leadership in the office of the Attorney General as the administrative head of that office. Having served in other capacities and having worked as a lawyer and a public servant as a member of parliament, I'm confident that you are adequately prepared.
Ruto ni waweta kana ina moikio kana ungua utongo iwa Shadrach. Dinoeka kwa ata mwelekeo ula wa ile maondo makoneti usili.
I am very sure that you will find an entry that is full because at the moment we are engaged in preparing legislation for many of the programs that we have. We have cleared quite a number of legislation through cabinet. We have others in various stages of formulation, others undergoing public participation, and all other facets and all other stages of legislation, of regulations, of statutes. I will want you to pay particular attention to legislation that will ensure that we create an environment for ease of doing business in Kenya, because the future of development in any nation is directly related to how much investment we can attract into the country.
Watauni wangala kuweta kana serikali ini ikasita kuikidhe kana wekezaji manzi sianzani mekone na viyasala vake nye kithitoni kia kuikidhe kana zinoni ya ulanga siko siya kuvoya mbesa nzi sianza.
The overall policy of the government of Kenya is to borrow less and invest more. So we will be looking at opportunities to make Kenya an attractive destination for investment, and therefore the right legal framework and legislative framework must be in place for investors to develop the necessary confidence to invest in our country. It is necessary for us to attract foreign direct investment. It is also necessary for us to provide a framework where investors can trust us with their investment because they know that the legal regime, the constitutional framework, guarantees the safety, security of their investment and also a fair return on their investment.
Contents of any business, proceedings or a document of the cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Solicitor General.
Good report of Lingua Movo Nelina. Musangi.